Was the city of Sioux Falls partially at fault for the deadly downtown building collapse 3 years ago that killed one person and injured another?
That's the case before the South Dakota Supreme Court today, where justices heard arguments in a lawsuit against the city. KELOLAND's Don Jorgensen listened in and joins us now with arguments from both sides of the case.
Angela, in 2016, Hultgren Construction LLC was in the process of remodeling the former Copper Lounge when the building collapsed, killing construction worker Ethan McMahon and trapping Emily Fodness for several hours. A number of lawsuits were filed following the collapse, including one against the city by the Fodness family, claiming negligence on the part of the city. December 2nd, 2016. It's a day many people won't soon forget. The former Copper Lounge building collapsed into a pile of rubble. Buried under the debris, a woman by the name of Emily Fodness.
She survived, a miraculous survival, but has been left to live with physical injuries as well as suffering from post-traumatic stress disorder.
Dan Fritz, who is representing the Fodness family in the lawsuit, argued in front of the state Supreme Court today that the city was negligent when it issued Hultgren Construction LLC a building permit without a set of building plans that would require removing a load-bearing wall.
We are claiming that the city knowingly violated its own ordinances, violated the law in issuing the permit in the first place.
The attorney representing the city, James E. Moore, argued the lower court was right to dismiss the lawsuit because the city had no knowledge that issuing a permit would lead to the collapse.
What the court has said is that the purpose of the permit is not to place the responsibility for ensuring compliance upon the city. The responsibility for the compliance rests squarely on the person responsible for construction.
That, he says, was Hultgren Construction LLC, not the city, and says that's why the lower court was right in dismissing the lawsuit.
And what they establish is a violation of a building code, not evidence of actual knowledge, not constructive knowledge, actual knowledge that the city knew that the building was likely to collapse if it issued the permit.
The justices will make a ruling at a later date. You can watch the entire hearing on KELOLAND.com.